Ever found yourself daydreaming about globetrotting but feeling tethered by a shoestring budget? Today, I'm about to unravel the secrets that will turn your travel dreams into reality without draining your wallet. Have you ever wondered if you can truly explore more and spend less? Are exotic destinations reserved only for those with overflowing bank accounts? Think again. Are you ready to shatter the myth that world travel is exclusively reserved for the elite? Imagine savoring the local flavors, immersing yourself in the heart of different cultures, and creating unforgettable memories without a trust fund in sight. Sound too good to be true? Well, let me assure you, it's not. I've got the ultimate guide to unveil the top 5 budget travel hacks that will have you exploring more and spending less. Let's dive into a world where adventure knows no bounds. Number 1. Pack light. Bid farewell to unnecessary baggage and say hello to a travel experience that's as light as your heart desires. Leave behind those extra shoes and that cumbersome jacket. Opt for a sleek backpack that effortlessly slips under the seat in front of you, doubling as your personal item. My trusty backpack is a magician, fitting in my laptop, iPad, Kindle, and a week's worth of clothing and toiletries with ease. Unlock the secret to stress-free travel by mastering the art of mix-and-match separates that can be layered, creating versatile outfits for any adventure. Embrace multi-purpose toiletries, my ultimate travel sidekick. The timeless Vaseline, and yes, go for the original, trust me, it's a game changer. This isn't just about packing, it's about transforming your travel lifestyle. Lighten your load, and you'll discover a world where freedom and exploration go hand in hand. Your journey begins with the decision to pack smart. Number 2. Stay in hostels. The unsung heroes of budget travel. These vibrant havens cater to the free-spirited explorer, the penny pincher with a penchant for connections, and the social enthusiast's dream escape. Did you know that within these lively hostels lie solitary retreats that rival any high-end hotel room? It's not just a myth. Revel in the communal vibe during the day, only to retreat to your own private haven as the night falls. Curious about diving into the world of hostels but unsure where to start? Fear not, for the Hostel World app is your trusty sidekick in this exhilarating journey. Discovering and reserving your ideal hostel is now a breeze with just a few taps. Hostel World boasts a nifty chat feature. Forget the awkward small talk. Instead, revel in the joy of instant connection. Plan meetups, share secrets, and go on adventures without the fuss. Bid farewell to aimless wanderings in a new city, hoping for serendipity to guide you. Thanks to Hostel World's chat, you can unite with like-minded travelers, ready to explore alongside you. Whether it's a night of revelry or a leisurely park stroll, a chat buddy awaits. And let's talk about sheer convenience. No more exchanging numbers or navigating crowded lobbies. Simply log into the chat, and voila! An instant travel buddy at your fingertips. Now my ultimate hostel crush is Selina Hostels, an oasis that caters to your every whim. Selina stands in a league of its own. Beyond cozy and economical stays, they've embraced a wellness theme that elevates the hostel experience. Free yoga classes that kickstart your day with a burst of energy, suitable for everyone from seasoned yogists to absolute beginners. Selina Hostels redefine the hostel game, ensuring your stay is not just memorable but transformative. Hostels have been the architects of most cherished travel tales. Number 3. Use Google Flights to get great flight deals. Discovering amazing flight deals has never been easier than with Google Flights. This travel gem is like having your own personal wizard guide through the labyrinth of airfare options, minus the awkward conversations. Picture yourself effortlessly sifting through flights, tweaking filters to fit your preferences like pieces in a Tetris game. Google Flights unveils the secret treasure map of travel dates, revealing the golden days when prices plummet. With this magic wand in hand, you can weave your journey around the most budget-friendly dates, saving a treasure trove of coins for the real adventure ahead. And oh, the thrill of the unknown. With Google Flights' interactive map, you're not just booking a ticket. You're on a voyage of whimsy. Let your cursor wander and watch as destinations light up with possibilities, each one a siren's call to a new escapade. I recently unlocked a chest of wonders with Google Flights, snagging a Ryanair ticket from Athens to Malta for a mere €15. The catch? Just a small sacrifice. Traveling light with only a trusty backpack in tow. But oh, The treasures that awaited at journey's end made every ounce of packing restraint worthwhile. Number 4. Use applications to plan your itinerary. Revolutionize your travel experience by harnessing the power of GuruWalks and get your guide to craft the ultimate itinerary. GuruWalks, the clandestine gem of budget-friendly exploration, guarantees a journey where you won't stumble into dodgy alleyways or miss out on mouth-watering local delicacies. Picture yourself in the hands of expert guides navigating the city with finesse. And guess what? It's practically a freebie. These guides aren't just free-spirited enthusiasts. They're the real deal, brimming with knowledge and passion to showcase their city through local lenses. The icing on the cake? The tipping system allows you to show your gratitude with a tip, turning your appreciation into a tangible thank you gesture. Be as generous as you like. A 10 or 20 euro tip will leave your guide beaming. What makes GuruWalks a real winner, though, is the chance to be a savvy traveler, immersing yourself in the charm of a new place without emptying your pockets. Now let's talk about Get Your Guide, the go-to for the indecisive wanderer yearning to extract every ounce of excitement from their trip. This online wonderland is your passport to booking tours and activities worldwide, offering a smorgasbord of options. And the cherry on top: unbelievable discounts and deals that let you save money while having the adventure of a lifetime. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking heart-pounding thrills or a history buff eager to unravel the mysteries of the past, Get Your Guide has you covered. Picture soaring in a hot air balloon over Cappadocia or exploring the iconic Colosseum in Rome. The possibilities are endless. The best part? No more wasting precious vacation time in lines. With Get Your Guide, you can plan everything in advance, ensuring you won't miss a beat. Number 5. Cook your own meals. First things first, let's start with the basics: coffee and tea. Instead of forking over your hard-earned cash for that morning cup of magic, why not awaken your inner barista? It's a breeze. All you need are some coffee or tea bags, a dash of hot water, and presto, you just brewed up savings of 1 to 5 euros per cup. Thriftiness never tasted so good. Now, onto the culinary canvas. Hit up the local grocery haunt or bustling market for your culinary arsenal: oats, fruits, nuts, and eggs. These humble ingredients will be the building blocks of your breakfast and snack repertoire. Whip up a hearty bowl of oatmeal adorned with freshly picked fruit and a sprinkle of nuts. Voila! You've crafted a nourishing breakfast fit for a budget-savvy explorer like yourself. By taking the reins in the kitchen, you're not only saving euros, but you're also earning culinary street cred. You can indulge in a lavish dinner without emptying your pockets. And the cherry on top: your body will thank you for the wholesome nourishment, keeping you fueled up for every adventure that comes your way. I hope these tips have inspired you to start your own adventures without breaking the bank. Remember, exploring more and spending less is not just about saving money. It's about enriching your life with unforgettable experiences and cultural immersion. So, whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a globe-trotting escapade, keep these budget-friendly strategies in mind and let your wanderlust guide you. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration, budget hacks, and adventure tips. Until next time, happy travels!